Look at this. It's a control panel, remarkably preserved. I think it's a navigational system. This is incredible. We need to document this immediately.
Keep it slow, the metal's brittle. I'm getting a signal near the tracks. The GPR data confirms the left track extends further underground here. Note the anomaly at the turret's front left quadrant. Right, it matches the old schematics. The identification plate is here. Look at the corrosion. I think I see AMX-30 and some faded numbers.
The perimeter is clear. Start with the sand near the front tracks. Watch the survey markers.
Keep sweeping that wheel, slowly. This trowel isn't getting deep enough. Watch the paint when you scrape. The hull is mostly uncovered now. Let's start mapping the damage. Look at the rust on the barrel. We need precise measurements for recovery. We did it! After all that work! Looks like it just needs a little polish. Line it up. Got it. Hand tight. Now the wrench. Pull it. Pull it. Pulling. See that penetration mark just above the track?
Yeah, that's definitely gonna need a full armor replacement.
Maximum depth, 3.25 millimeters. The pitting is severe near the weld joint.
Look at cylinder 3. The corrosion is extensive.
Yeah, the piston is definitely seized. Let me check the valves.
See the scoring here on the outer race. That fracture runs deep.
Confirmed. And the pitting under this debris is extensive.
Look at the pitting here. We might need to replace this section. Yeah, that's deeper than I thought. Check the thickness.
easy. Watch the starboard side. Clear on this end. Keep it coming up.
Alignment looks good. Send it through. Applying pressure.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's spiking again.
I see it. The fuel flow is unstable.
Bring it down slow. Watch the pins. Steady, steady. Okay, we're aligned.
Go ahead with the hydraulic wrench. Torque applied. It's locked in place.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the left side. Alignment looks good. Bring it down slowly. All right, it's seated. Hand me the wrench. Make sure the feather edge is perfect on that section. Copy that.
Almost ready for the tack cloth.
This is the AMX-30 battle tank, completely restored and prepared for paint, a masterpiece of engineering reborn.